Hello, my name is Kamarad. I'm the IT manager of Stock Pilsen Božkov, which is a company producing alcoholic beverages and is a part of an international group called Stock Spirits Group. In the past, we used a group-wide tool to cover the service desk tasks, and we didn't have any other tool for asset management, which was a bit pain, especially for the IT department, who didn't have any control over the life cycle of IT assets. With the implementation of ALVAO Service Desk and ALVAO Asset Management, we got a tool which has been for all adopted very well by the end users and also the people who are working with it, the solvers. And now we have something in our hands which is complying the ITL standards, itsm practices, and which allow us to promote the work of IT department inside the company. Well, the thing which I like the most on ALVAO products is the alignment with the Microsoft landscape. It's easy to orient for them in ALVAO products and easy to adapt those products.